Hallo Leute, noch einmal willkommen bei Easy Goal 12. Hi guys, once again welcome to Easy Goal 12. Und dann Dankeschön fürs Zuschauen. Okay, die Erde ist älter als das Sei. Die Erde ist älter als das Sei. Und dann, wir kaufen keine Fische im Wasser. Wir kaufen keinen Fisch im Wasser. Dankeschön für Wiederholen. Danke. Okay, guys, today we are learning the dative case in Java. Okay, let's explain the dative case thoroughly to you guys. As you can see here, the dative case is for indirect objects in German. The indirect object is the person or things who gets the action, the direct object. And then so in the sentence, as we can see also here, the girl kicks the ball to the boy. The boy is the indirect object of this sentence. Das Mädchen dreht den Jungen den Ball. Das Mädchen dreht dem Jungen den Ball. Yeah. And the dative case describes the indirect action and of the sentence in German and in English and answers to the question wem, which is whom in English, or was, which is what in English. That to get the indirect object, it is whom, at to who the action is did for. Okay, or was, what, which is to what this action did for indirectly. Okay, Dankeschön. We hope you understood. The dative case will be infecting the definite article the and the indefinite article or an in German. Let's look at of the changing the dative case is bringing to them. Okay, for the masculine one, we will see there and nominative there becomes them, the feminine becomes there, neuter becomes them, and plural becomes den. And will be saying masculine, feminine, neuter on plural is them, there, them, den. Them, there, them, den. Used to make a joke, them, there, them, den. Okay, fine. And the indefinite article will be changing or be affected also. We have einem, einer, einem, keinen. Okay, as we have told you in our previous video, keinen means no, does not exist in a plural form, the indefinite article as in English also. Okay, then here we say keinen. Keinen also is an article, but the negative article will be learning in the coming video. Please, guys, if you do not subscribe and click on the notification bell that will press that video, will not miss it. Thank you so much. Dankeschön. Then as we can see here, several prepositions take the dative case. If you see these prepositions, they are bringing a dative case also. As for example, we have the preposition aus, which is out, and aus and außer, besides, by, next to, or at one place. Mit, which is with, nach, which is after, seit, which is since, von, which is from, zu, which is to, and gegenüber, which is opposite. Opposite. Good. Also, guys, as you can see, summarize here for you. Some verbs always also take the dative case in German. We have antworten, which is to answer, denken, to think, glauben, to believe, helfen, to help, gehören, to belong to, and gefallen, to like. Okay.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like to see more videos like this, and if you did not like it, leave us a comment and tell us why you do not like it. Hope to see you in the next one, and don't forget to share and subscribe. It's totally free.